Brushboard. The description of the product is it's an acrylic polymer modified elastomeric waterproofing membrane coating for concrete and masonry surfaces. Brushboard is a product which provides a seamless waterproof coating suitable for use in water tanks, reservoirs, roofs, sunken portion to ensure water tightness. The typical problems observed in any building are excess water addition during concreting or during improper curing or because of improper compaction, improper shuttering. Waterproof coating has become mandatory requirement for all concrete structures. Underground or overhead tanks are made of brick walls. Bricks are generally porous in nature and water cannot be retained for longer times. Day by day, the water level keeps reducing. At the end of the day, water being scarce at most places, customer ends up paying either more money for water or for cosmetic treatments of water tanks. These are some of the general views which are observed inside the building. Before going for any waterproof coating, a water ponding test is very mandatory as shown. A minimum of 24 hours water should be ponded on the roof or on the sunken portion or areas where waterproofing is considered as a mandatory requirement. Once the spots are identified where there are chances of water droppages or drippings, we need to drill the hole, fix up the nozzles as shown, and pressure grouting is done using cement slurry and an expansive additive called Cibex 100 to fill all those gaps inside the concrete. Once pressure grouting is done, then we make waterproof coating by mixing known proportion of polymer, powder and water. Once the material is ready, we need to dampen the surface either by sprinkling water or by brushing action as shown. Then the first coat of waterproof coating is applied. Generally, the dampening is done to avoid water being sucked by the waterproof coating from the existing concrete surface. After first coat is applied, a 6 hours drying time is left so that the material gets cured. The second coat is then applied in exactly 90 degrees or in a perpendicular direction to form a mesh. After waterproofing is done, the surface is left cured for a minimum of 7 days. Ponding water is the best way of curing. Generally, after any waterproof coating, we always recommend to go for a protection screed. To make a protection screed, we normally recommend to mix the known quantity of cement, sand, water, jellies, admixed with our integral waterproofing liquid, that is Conplast X421IC, at a dosage of 125 ml per bag of cement. We need to mix this particular mortar using a slow speed drill paddle mixer as seen. Once the product is ready, we will pour it onto the cured waterproof coating. And it's laid to the slope on the structure as seen. The description of the product is it's acrylic polymer modified elastomeric waterproof membrane coating for concrete and masonry surfaces. The main features of Brushbond are it has got an excellent bonding to concrete and resistant to carbon dioxide and chloride ion diffusion. The benefits: it's a waterproof coating for water tanks and bathrooms. The coverage is approximately around 150 square feet for 23 plus 4 liter packing at 1 mm thickness. The pack sizes available are 6 kg and 23 kg industrial pack.